Good day, guys. What I'm going to explain today is the paragraph tag, and this tag is just a p tag. It has an opening tag and a closing tag, and it's the same way as English paragraph. So which means if I put some content in here and I save, you can see this is it. And let me just make text longer than this. So as you can see, is longer than before. So that is how paragraph work. You can even make a duplicate of it. But let me just copy the text and even make it longer than this. So as you can see, the paragraph will always be on a single line unless if it has reached its maximum size of the browser. So as you can see here, is on 3 lines here, and if I expand the browser, is on 2 lines. So that is how it works. So if you make a duplicate of that p tag now, for instance, let's copy this, or you hold your Alt Shift then the arrow key, the down key, to make a duplicate of that. So if we check, you can see it's just exactly the way a paragraph is. So just to separate the text from each other. So that is how paragraph works. So another thing I want to explain is the bold tag, the B tag. If this allows you to make your text bold, and the bold tag, the B tag, is just B. It has a opening tag and a closing tag. So any text you want to make it bold, you put it in between the B. So let's just try that here. Let's make the Liberty Tech bold. So B, is safe. As you can see, only the Liberty Tech is bold here. And what if you mistakenly forgot to close the B tag? You can see all the text is bold. The browser assumes that since there is no closing tag for B, it means you are telling the browser that all the content in your website will be bold. So which means you must not forget to end the bold tag so as to prevent such. So as you can see here. And another way to make your text bold is by using the strong. If you use strong, it's still the same thing with the B tag. So So the strong key is the same thing as the B tag. As you can see, only the liberty tag is strong, is bold. So let's maybe acquire knowledge to be put to knowledge. Let's just copy that too and save. As you can see here, only the knowledge is bold. So another thing again is the italic. Now the italic is just an I tag. It has an opening and closing tag. So we have the I around the knowledge. So the knowledge, let's put that there. So as you can see here is italicized. So that is how to format text in web design. So if like the bold tag too, if you mistakenly by mistake you did not close the tag, as you can see from the knowledge down, everything is italicized. So you must not forget the parts which you want to close. So that is that. Then the last thing is the U tag. The U tag. The U tag is to underline. As you can see here, is to underline your text. And another thing I will explain again is let me just remove the I. Another thing is, for now, if you check here now, you can see the first statement ends A. Actually it's just a random text. So from here again, that is another one. So I want to make this thing to be on a separate line, but everything is still in the same paragraph tag, but I want to make it to be on a separate line. So how am I going to do that? There is a tag called the break line. That is what we use. The break line is just a single tag without the closing tag. So if you save this, you see it has moved the first, the second one to the second line. So let me do that to the rest too. This is another liberty tag. The PR. Let's save. As you can see there. Then the last one, the BR. Let's save. Everything is still a single P tag, a paragraph tag, but you use the break line to break everything, like to move it to another line. Now another thing again is the horizontal line. Now this horizontal line, you just draw an horizontal line across your page. So it only has an opening tag without closing tag. It's just like a save the break. So HR, and once you check your page here, you can see that line is drawn. So even if your page is bigger, you can see it all over your page. So you can use that one to separate between one paragraph tag or one content and another, as you can see here. So guys, that is that about that, and that will be the end of today's training. Thank you.